Hey everyone, it's Carol, and I hope you're doing well. I'm doing my laundry, and I thought I'd stop and I'd make a video before I have to go down and pick up the clothes. And I want to show you a few things. Let me get my bag. Okay. I just started another tube of the Grande Lash MD Lash Enhancing Serum. So I am going to be showing you the results pretty soon. I started it December 30th, and last time I did it was before I had my cataract surgery in both my eyes, and my lashes were thick like rugs. I can't believe how thick they got, and then I had to stop, but now I'm starting it again. I just absolutely love this and swear by it. So, also, you know, my favorite brushes were $1 brushes on Shop Miss A, and they've discontinued them. I'm just getting the hair out of the brushes that I have. Hold on. I hate hair that's not attached to the head, you know? Anyway, so I tried to think, now, these are the brushes that they don't have anymore. This and a little bigger size. And these were only $1, and they bent, so it was very hard to break, and it felt comfortable on your head. But they're not selling these anymore, so I figured these are vented and curved. That's the whole secret. So I found these on Amazon. This is made of the same exact stuff that is. These are made of nylon bristles, and they're curved, so you can blow dry your hair with it, or just brushing it. It's so comfortable just to brush your hair with it because it just goes to the shape of your head. You get a nice little scalp massage. Beautiful. That is what I loved about this. It just got right to the bottom of your scalp, and it just gave you a nice little massage. So this one has boar's hair and nylon bristles. So this one shines your hair up and also gives you a massage. So these two, I'll put links down below. I love them. They're great. I'm pretty fussy about my brushes, but those are great. Good substitute. So what else do we have? I'm here to report back on the ALPYN Beauty Wildcrafted Actives Plant Genius Firming Super Hydrator. The one where they showed the picture before and immediately after. Well, I think they blew it because I haven't seen any difference on my neck. Nothing. But especially not immediately after. And I know you wanted to have a follow-up on this. It's really nice. It smells fresh. It feels good. It's a beautiful lotion, but it doesn't do what they claimed. It's a good moisturizer, though. The next tip I have to show you is a super duper one. All right, so you might have an electric toothbrush. This is my older one because now I have the pink one that goes in the glass cup. And this is my older one. If you're sharing the bathroom with someone, you might want to put a little nail polish on it so they don't use it, so you can tell them apart. But anyway, so it's Sonic, right? And it's very strong. And just look at that. See how it's blowing up? Okay. What I've been doing with this older one is facial massage on the back of the brush, like on the smile lines. It's penetrating. It's penetrating, and it's bringing blood up to it. And then the blood brings nourishment, builds collagen, and all that, and you could just massage your whole face with it. Now, you could do this with your toothbrush that you're using also, because you brush your teeth that way, and then you rinse it and just do the back. I think that is genius. It's very strong. It happens to be one of the strongest massagers, and Sonic, right there. See, it's going right there. Ooh, yeah. And it really massages beautiful. So you put a little oil lotion on your face and then do this a few times, and I think you're doing good for your skin. My mom and my dad were the king and queen of massage. Okay, so my mom's secret is massaging her face till it got beet red. From here up, she would massage every day. Blood would come to the surface. It was beautiful. It was like rosy, and I mean, to this day, she's 95 and she has no wrinkles. And we attribute it to her wearing makeup all the time, always having something on her skin, Pond's cold cream, and now she puts Vaseline and the massage. Basically, that's it. Now, a tip for any of you that might be losing your hair or thinning hair, this is what my dad did. And there's no man in my family that's bald. All guys have hair. And my dad was 89 when he passed. He's such a cutie pie. I love my dad. And that was just 8 years ago. So this is what he did. He used one of those hand massages. You put your hand in, it straps around your hand, and then you massage. So he used to be bent over the bed with his head hanging down, getting the blood to his head and massaging his head, his scalp, while my mother was sitting there massaging her face. So they were quite the duo. But I really believe that it works, because he had the nourishment went up to the roots of the hair, and my mom's nourishment went to her skin. So it's a pretty fail-proof way to keep wrinkles at bay and to keep your hair on your scalp. That's how they did it. I hope it works for you. Now to repick the winner of the $400 prize from Teddy Blake. If you are the winner, you need to contact me. Good luck. The last winner didn't show up, and it has been several weeks, so I'm going to pick it right now. I hope you have a good week. Pray with me for the world. Boy, the world needs it. The world needs it, right? And we need it too. So I'll pray for you, you pray for me, and we'll pray for the world. And just know that I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you.